What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, building a bridge will cost 65 million. A round trip toll of $12 will be charged to all vehicles. Traffic projections are estimated to be 5,000 per day. The operating and maintenance cost will be 20% of the toll revenue. Find the payback period in years for this project. Now first cost is given 65 million, and also annual revenue we have to calculate. Annual revenue, that's equal to 5,000 times $12, 5,000 per day, so $12, and 365 days times here 20%, that's 0.2. We have to subtract that one from 1 minus 0.2, and if you calculate this one, you are going to get let's calculate this one. Alexa, what is 5,000 times 12 times 3.65 times 0.8?
5,000 times 12 times 3.65 times 0.8 is 175,200.
Alexa, multiply that one by 10.
This might answer your question. 1 times 10 is 10. Did that answer your question?
No.
Thanks for your feedback.
Alexa, multiply 5,000 times 12 times 365 times 0.8.
The answer to your calculation is 17,520,000.
17,520,000. That doesn't make sense. Let's calculate again and see whether it's correct. Alexa, 5,000 times 12 times 365 times 0.8.
The answer to your calculation is 17,520,000.
17,520,000. Okay, this is the answer, annual revenue. Now payback period. To calculate the payback period, we had to divide this. The bridge will cost 65 million. That is 65 million divided by 17,520,000, and if you divide, you will get 3.71 years, and that's going to be the payback period. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.